So today's focus is going to be a little bit more on flexibility. So with flexibility, it's holding a pose for up to 30 seconds. So we'll do about 6 to 8 deep breaths each hold. And that's just the first time when you're first starting a stretch, you might feel that tightness and your muscles contract, the fibers around them. And so we just want to let them release. And it takes about 30 seconds to really get that flexibility. So let's go ahead and you can sit back in your chair or forward, whichever position you prefer. And let's go ahead and just start out with some nice gentle breaths, inhaling up, just floating arms. And just keep it nice and light for right now. And you can always set your intention. Maybe you want to keep it light and flowy. Or maybe you really want that deep stretch and you want to reach as high as you can right now. And exhale, try drop those arms as deep as you can. Okay, let's do 2 more breaths. Now you pick that focus, whether it's light or a little more range of motion and push. Good. Another breath. Terrific. Let's release the hands on the thighs or at your side. Roll the shoulders back and down. With this, we're working more mobility before we get into that flexibility. Just little shoulder rolls back and down. Now, as you go back, drop that left ear down. Inhale, center, roll the shoulders back and down, and right ear. Good. And do this with each breath. Exhaling to one side. Inhale, neutral. Exhale to other side. Continue this, but look over the shoulder. Inhale, head neutral. And exhale, look over the other shoulder. One more time each side. Great. Hands just right at the waist and just trying to move side to side like a side bend. So keeping that pelvis nice and stable, just moving at the waist. Helps to have your hands there so you can feel where you're moving. And neutral, and just lightly bring it forward and back, looking to that back arm, nice and gentle. You can always have the hands at that low back or back, just looking side to side. So warming up the body for deeper stretches and pelvis tilt forward and back. So it's just tilting, try and push that low back towards the chair, and then navel forward, navel back, and forward, releasing that low back. If you want, you can tap out the toes, and we're going to bring it forward, hinge, and release. So exhale, forward, inhale, open up. You pick your range of motion. Perhaps you want to go a little deeper, getting that blood flowing through, waking it up so we can get deeper into our stretches and work that flexibility. And release, roll it back. Okay, just take a couple deep breaths. You can shut your eyes, try to grow as tall as you can as you inhale. Exhale, just let gravity sink, drop you into a deeper pose. And as you do this, just reflect, where was the tightest part when you were stretching? Was it the neck, the low back, the upper back? We're going to get into that now. So let's go ahead and take a deep breath up, arms up. Exhale, release that left arm at the side or along the low back. We're going to get a spinal twist. So bringing that right arm across to that left leg, look towards that left shoulder. And we're going to take 6 to 8 deep breaths here. You can try and get a little further as you go, either looking further back, or you could go deeper down. Begin. Just neutral. Just nice, deep breaths. So with flexibility, that 30 seconds is that sweet spot. That first 10 seconds, your body has that natural reaction to tighten and protect. And then allows you to stretch out those muscles. And over 30 seconds doesn't harm, it's just around the same benefit. So we're getting that sweet spot here. Okay. One more deep breath. And release. Take another deep breath, and we're going to get that other side. Inhaling up. Exhale, left arm comes across. Right arm can be at your side or back. And you can be right here. You'll get that low back and then that upper back. Or you can go down deeper. Or as those muscles start to relax a bit, then you can go down a little deeper with every breath. These are all guidelines. It's practicing self-awareness, tuning into what's tight. Use that breath to your advantage. Just release as you exhale. Inhale. Your torso naturally lengthens as those lungs fill with air. So try to get a little taller with your inhalation. Sync with that exhalation. Terrific. And release. We're going to get a little more into the thighs. So I'll give you 3 options here. And it's that we're going to go that right leg. You can have that right hand on the inside of that right leg and just a little leverage there. And you're going to get more through that right oblique. If you want more hip, you can cross that right ankle over the left ankle and go down. And then it's more forward. Or you can cross that right ankle over the left thigh and get that hip flexor stretch. So either any of those 3, and then take 6 deep breaths. Getting either that hip flexor or more of that low back. We all have our tight spots, so I want to make it beneficial to you personally. So go with whichever stretch feels the best. Whichever stretch hurts so good. Focus on posture, pushing that chest through, shoulders back. Excellent. And now that other side. Do a little shakeout. Left hand can be in here, can be right in there. So you're just having that as your anchor, pushing against, and you'll feel it through that low back there. Cross the ankle. Maybe that's a great hip stretch right there. Or you can cross it. And taking some deep breaths here. Relax the jaw. Visualize that breath coming in, going to that tight spot. As you exhale, your body just releases. Release. Excellent. We're going to get more into that spine. Again, you can see if it feels better and you're pushing back. We're going to be doing some hinging. You can be forward. We're going to go forward and then just let the arms drop. So here you can focus on that back, elongating, releasing the hands down, flick out the fingers. Or you can have the legs out and go deeper. And in either position, always pull yourself deeper, assisting that stretch there or down. Or you can just choose to let those arms drop, just releasing that low back. Relax the jaw. Let that tightness release. Exhale any soreness, tension, stress in the body. And release up. Good. We're going to get just a little cat and cow. Can be at the knees there, getting through that upper back. And then you can bring the elbows down, exaggerate that cow. Back. Good. One more time. And hold that cow position. So elbows can be down, looking up, shoulders away. Push that chest through. Pushing the hips back. And as you're here, gently drop that left ear towards the shoulder. Center and other side. Center. Up. 2 more deep breaths here. And now release into that cat position. Leave here. Basically out. Grab hands underneath. Kind of nice to grab the hands underneath if you can. And then just pull up and really feel it through that upper back. Gently just shift that weight. Notice where it's tight in the hips. Pull up that back. A couple more deep breaths here, getting all the way through the spine. And release. Let's do a chest opener. So just bringing the elbows down at the sides, push the arms back. Hands can be here or out. Or if you have handles on the chairs, I want to use that. And just open up that chest. Release the neck. Two more breaths here. Good. Open up those palms. Let's bring that left arm across. Drop the shoulder. We'll get our last stretches here before we head into the rest of our day. We're going to be so limber and flexible. Going to be like a noodle. Release. Again, releasing that neck side to side. These are great ones you can just do throughout the day at your desk. Often we hold so much tension, tightness in our neck. Other side. Just a simple tilt helps. A couple more breaths. All right, let's end with some energizing breaths. Inhale up, reach up, right arm, left arm, down, and again, inhale up, left arm, right arm, and release. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Namaste.